Hey guys, welcome back to the Growers Corner. So today I wanted to take some time to talk to you guys about the differences between starting from clone and starting from seed and the benefits and drawbacks to both. So why would you like to start from clone as opposed to seed? Well, some of the benefits to that are, for instance, if you're doing large scale cultivation, right? It allows you to go from 20, 30, 40, 50 plants, a few hundred plants, to several hundred plants, to several thousand plants in the time span of a few weeks as opposed to several months. Now, when you plant from clone, depending on how close it is to the mother, F1, F2, F3, is going to show you how fast it's going to grow, how resilient it's going to be, droughts, nutrients, bugs, you name it. So those are potential drawbacks depending on where you get your clones from, especially if you are not making them yourself and you're buying them from some random dispensary or something like that where you don't really know what it is you're buying, what their practices are, or if it is what it says, what they say it is. Now, the flip side to that, when you grow from seed and you germinate your own seeds, you get the chance to make your own clones. So you know it is what it says it is, or what you say it is, right? You know that it's an F1, that it's not an F5, an F6, some weak, intolerant little thing way down the line that somebody's just trying to get rid of. You also get to know that you can pick out, if you take more than what you need, you can pick out the best growing ones, right? You take the best looking ones and plant those in your garden. Aside from that, you also get the ability to breed. Once you've cloned those out and you've picked the best ones, you can then save a female clone that you really like and take that male that came up that was really beautiful, that you really liked, and make more seeds. You can't do that really with store-bought clones because unless you grow it to full term, you don't really know what you're getting. By then it's too late, right? So just something to think about, something to discuss. There are benefits and drawbacks to both. Again, it kind of depends on what you're trying to do. But either way, if you're going for clones, I suggest that you make your own because it's the safest, cleanest, most effective way for you to know what you're getting. So having said that, let's continue the discussion in the comments. Let's talk about it. What are your favorites? Do you prefer clones? Do you prefer seeds? If so, why? Until next time, guys, this is the Growers Corner, and I'll see you next time.